Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Revlon, a Revlon lipstick. This is in the color Black Cherry. Just want to focus. So this is the cream 477 Black Cherry. And so yeah, just getting started on this. This is my second time purchasing this lipstick. The first time that I purchased it, I actually purchased it in like a gift set because I wanted the lipstick but I couldn't find it individually, and so I only saw it in the gift set, and it came with like a mirror and like a brush, I believe, but like I didn't really want the other things. I just kind of really wanted the lipstick. So I ended up and I just went ahead and I caved in and I ended up purchasing the lipstick, I ended up purchasing the gift set. And so I used all of the first one, and then I went back and I found the lipstick individually, so I just ended up purchasing the lipstick separately. And actually the lipstick in the gift set was cheaper than the lipstick by itself, so that's a funny story, guys. But yeah, getting started, before I go into the lipstick, I just want to talk about this brand. I am very indifferent when it comes to Revlon. It's like there's things like really like I really can get on board with, and it's like others kind of really have like rubbed me the wrong way. I didn't start wearing lipstick I started wearing lipstick when I was like in 6th grade, but that's because I danced. But just to wear it for myself when I'm going out, I didn't start wearing lipstick until I got into college. And I remember like getting older, I really didn't see people in high school wearing lipstick. It was more of like either like a lip gloss or a chapstick kind of thing. When I got in college, that's when people really started like wearing lipstick and started being about the lipstick life. And so when obviously like whatever is in trend, people are going to want to follow, even when it comes to makeup. So yeah, I ended up starting to try out lipsticks and stuff like that, and I love the dark side of lipstick. Darker lipstick is like my thing. It like really I feel like it kind of like sets me apart when I like go out places. I feel like people really take note of you, or like you really catch people's attention when you're wearing a darker lip color on your lips. I honestly do really love this lip color. Aside from the brand, I think that honestly they did a good job with this lip color, and I wish they made more like colors like this. But I just want to show you guys like the casing of this. It's honestly so sleek and simple. I love the black. I love like this little gold part in the middle. It really like the gold part really does it for me. I'm very into like sleek cases and very simple things. I hate like extravagant, like I don't know, this is just such like, it makes me feel like very grown up, and I am grown up, so that's like my childish ways, but it just like honestly makes me feel grown up. I just want to show you guys what the actual lip color looks like. So I love this part, how it's like gold. Guys, like I'm a huge lipstick fanatic, and like this is just like one of my favorites. So this is the lipstick color. Honestly, one of my favorites, like I keep on repeating. And you can really, so the problem that I usually have when it comes to lipsticks is it looks more pigmented than it actually is. So when I'm purchasing products, like it's just like honestly like I love watching reviews before I actually purchase something, and so that's why I want to like try to be as honest as I can. I hate like getting a dark lipstick and then it turns out red, or it turns out looking brighter. Like I want it to be dark and I want it to look dark. Like I'm like Dark lipstick for me is just such a mood, and it's just such a thing. It's something that I kind of like take seriously when it comes to my makeup, and I just hate being led astray. So this lipstick, honestly, I can truly say that when I put it on, it doesn't like mislead me, or like it doesn't like turn me like off. Like it honestly like and wholeheartedly like is the color that it is like portraying. And the other thing too is this lipstick lasts so long. The gift set that I purchased, I actually purchased that last year, and this is my second bottle. So like I honestly, it just depends on how often you use it. Like I said before, one of my favorite like lipsticks, and so I could only imagine how much I use it, and honestly this one still lasts. I said a little bit earlier how that I purchased a lipstick in a gift set and it was cheaper, and then the second time around this was a little bit more expensive, and that's true. Product is kind of like, it's going to be a little bit pricey in my opinion for just a singular lipstick, but guys, look around first before you purchase it, because you can find it at a really good price. I know that's what I did. I was just very cautious with where I purchased it from. But like I said before, guys, this is a very reliable and dependable product. I would recommend this for anybody who loves dark lipstick the way I love dark lipstick. For anybody looking for a sleek and like nice looking lipstick case, I definitely suggest this. And like I said, it's just like one of my favorites. And this is the Revlon cream. This one is black cherry, and this is in 477.